Hello everybody, this is Angel of Random Honest Reviews. Today we are going to take a look at this kinda new ROG Strix Go BT. It's a wireless headset, but does it sound good as it looks? We will check that out. Onto its box, of course, you have here the ROG or Republic of Gamers logo, and we have a seal as it is a Red Dot winner in 2020. And for those who do not know, Red Dot is the one giving out awards for those who are best in design. And seeing this sleek design of this one, it really deserves that award from Red Dot. So you can see, of course, a promotional image here. The name of the unit, ROG Strix Go BT. It's a Bluetooth wireless headset. Apps and softwares that certifies this headset. Again, it's a Bluetooth. It has high-res audio on the side here. It just tells us that it's a gaming headset with Bluetooth and 3.5mm audio jack. And finally, at the back, here is more of its features and details. Once again, you may pause this video if you want to read these for yourself. Opening the box, you will see this welcome message from ROG, so that's nice, I think. You have that feel of really getting into the community of ROG or Republic of Gamers. And it's inside this nice hard shell pack. Inside, you will see the headset itself, which is nicely folded there. And you have here, let me take it out first. This is your 3.5mm adapter if you need it. On the other side, that 3.5mm jack again. And right here we have its charging cable. It's a USB Type-C and USB Type-A cable. So it's modern, it's updated, so we love that, right? Let's set this aside first. Okay, what's inside the box is, other than the headset and those accessories, are papers, of course. So you have here headset features. I think it's more of a quick start guide that's infographic. Okay, so that's it. This is very informative. People really need this. Again, do not throw things like this, because if you have to troubleshoot your headset, that would come in handy. And we have here a warranty card or booklet. Holding this for the first time, I can tell you that it's very lightweight and comfy. You won't have any problems with this with a heavy weight on your head, mostly because it's made out of plastic. It has a chrome plating here by the bands that covers the steel sliders. Let me show you that it's also stuck on a hard plastic here. So there's a thin steel frame here, glued on or stuck on a plastic. Now by the headband part, there's a synthetic leather cushion, and there's a Republic of Gamers branding on top. So this can be comfy on the head. And by the steel sliders, again, it's highly adjustable. Now going on to the cups, it swivels like so, so you can like manage how it would feel and fit snug onto your head. Now the cups are again made out of plastic. You can see logos and brandings on both sides here. And you have memory foam cushions here. So this again would be highly comfy, but the issue here, especially that we're here in the Philippines, it has a synthetic leather cover, so it will definitely build sweat onto your ears. So that's sad, right? Now, by the speakers coming from the cups, it's very narrow, so I can tell that the speakers would hit your ears. So I hope that they made this more deep so that won't happen. Now, where are the function buttons? It's on the left side of the headband or the headset. You have here volume sliders. You have the skip, next, play, pause function key. You have here the on, off, and noise cancellation button, LED light indicator, and the 3.5mm jack. Right here, you have the USB Type-C port for charging, and a LED light indicator as well. And I'm guessing this would be for the noise cancellation, as well as this one. And the microphone is right here by the left cup. This is the mic test of this ROG Strix Go BT. While we're at it, let's talk about my experience about this one. It is very, very comfortable. So there are no pressure points at all by the cups and by the crown of my head. So definitely you can use this the entire day without fatigue. Although take note that there will definitely be a sweat buildup because of the PU leather cushions. And yes, they are still comfy, even if they are made out of leather. Now let's go to the next part, the connectivity. The connectivity of this is really, really good. So it doesn't have lags, latency, or it doesn't easily disconnect. I walked 3 rooms away from my computer and it still is connected. I can still hear the movie or the music that I'm listening to. Now, take note that it doesn't have a multi-device connection. Did I say that correctly? You cannot use this for 2 or more devices at the same time. You can only use it for one device. Take note that it easily connects, but only to the device that you last paired it with. Now let's talk about the 3.5mm jack of this one. Once you use that, of course, the quality of the sound is better than having it wireless. But take note that you won't be able to use the microphone of this one because you have to use the hands-free audio BT if you want to use the microphone by the cups here. Now let's talk about the sound quality. The sound quality of this for me is not that HD. I find the mids too much. So it sounds like it's a little bit muddy. But using this for positional audio, when you use this for Counter-Strike, which I did, or Valorant, you can tell if the opponent or your, we call this teammate, is by your left or right side. So it does a good job in positional audio. Now, lastly, let's do a mic test with my keyboard right here. So I'm just gonna type on my mechanical keyboard. It has brown switches, so it's not that noisy, but it's mechanical, so there's a clack while I type. So let's try it out. Finally, the battery life of this one is really 40 hours and even more if you really don't max out the volume of this one. How much is this? This is 10,000 to 11,000 pesos out in the market. You can search it at Shopee and Lazada.
This headset is supported by ASUS Armoury Crate Android app. Unfortunately, it cannot be detected by their Armoury Crate desktop software. Nevertheless, you can still tweak its sound settings in this Android app. So there we have this ROG Strix Go BT. Remember that I'm always here to help you with your purchase decision, but it's always going to be your choice, your call. See you in the next video.